Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your video and the audio track you plan to fix. You're working on copies, not originals. Once opened, import both files into Audacity or your NLE timeline so you can compare waveforms. Listen for the main problem, dropouts, sync drift, or noise, so you know what to fix first. Make quick labels at problem points. This saves time. Then set the project sample rate to match the source so you avoid resampling errors when exporting. Now you clean and align. Apply noise reduction or a notch filter to remove hum and broadband noise, but preview to avoid artifacts. Once done, align audio by matching waveform peaks to visible events in the video, nudge by milliseconds until lips and sound match. Then use gentle EQ to recover mid-range clarity and a mild compressor to even levels. Keep attack/release natural so transients aren't squashed. Make short exports to test in the video player and confirm the changes translate. Finish by exporting a high-quality WAV or FLAC at the original sample rate and bit depth. You avoid recompression that way. Next, replace the video's audio track in your editor, mute the old track, and play through a few suspect scenes to confirm sync and tone. If something's off, check sample rates, time stretch settings, and codec artifacts. Those are common culprits. If you still have drift, consider splitting the track and realigning segments. That fixes gradual timing errors without breaking audio quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.